MAM or Mini Akıllı, which means smart micro-munition, is a family of laser-guided and GPS-INS-guided bombs produced by Turkish defense industry manufacturer Roketsan. MAM has been developed for unmanned aerial vehicles or UAV, light attack aircraft, fighter aircraft and air-ground missions for low payload capacity air platforms. MAM can engage both stationary and moving targets with high precision. Operations in which MAMs have been used: first, Operation Euphrates Shield. Second, Operation Olive Branch. Third, FS 2018 exercises. Fourth, Operation Claw in 2019. Fifth, Operation Peace Spring in 2019. Sixth, Operation Spring Shield in 2020. Seventh, 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh, the war between Azerbaijan and Armenia. 8. Central Libya Offensive. 9th, Tigray War, and the latest is 2022 Ukraine and Russia War. There are 3 variants of MAMs. They are: first, MAM-C High Explosive variant. Second, MAM-L Thermobaric variant. Third, MAM-T GPS-INS guided variant. There are 9 countries that use MAM. They are Azerbaijan, Qatar, Libya, Morocco, Saudi Arabia, Tunisia, Turkey, Ukraine, and Poland. Here are some camera-caught operation using these munitions.